In this video, how to set up direct deposit in Gusto, I will show you step by step how to set up direct deposit in Gusto. First, go to the Gusto website in your browser. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the main dashboard of the platform. Now click the option called Employees. Select the employee you want to set up direct deposit for. Open the employee profile page. Now find the section called Payment Method. Click the option to add a payment method. Select the Direct Deposit option. Now enter the bank account details. Type the account number correctly. Enter the bank routing number. Choose the account type such as checking or savings. Review the information before continuing. After that, click Save to save the settings. Direct deposit will now be configured. Payments will be sent automatically to the bank account. You can review the information anytime if needed. This is how you can set up direct deposit in Gusto easily.